Hi traders, today is 9 of January 2020, so we are now live the trading WTI Crude Oil Market. So at this moment you can see that the market have made a strong bearish movement, and we are on the position of the short sell at 59.28, but at this moment in the negative territory. So let's take a look on our position. So the entry point is at 59.28, so you can see over here. Okay, and it's still at minus 110, 100. Okay, doesn't looks good at this moment, and hope the market will go towards the direction. We also have a good indication that the market will go to the downside move. So this could be the last cycle of the bearish movement, so let's wait. Still nothing, and any moment the market perhaps will go spike down, or maybe turn other ways around, which is to do the reversal after the strong bearish from the London session. Okay, now you see the candle turn blue, doesn't look good, and ooh, okay, I think we have our stop loss is at 58. Yes, stop loss is at 58, so here 59.58. So still waiting. We have been in the market for quite 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Still at the negative now, minus 10 ticks, sorry, 19 ticks. So I will queue my stop loss first. So let's wait. So by the way, this I'm using a 10-minute chart, and okay, this is how it looks like. It's a very strong bearish movement since London session. Although there's an opportunity to go for buy, but if you are not closing your position, so you might end up in the negative territory. So as for now, for US session, time now is 9:37, so we are about 27 minutes after 9 a.m. New York local time, and our current position is on the short sell. So we are still in the minus, around minus 15 once we enter. Looks good at this moment. You can see a nice red candle been formed, but only for a while. Okay, now we are back to the negative territory. Now back to 19. Doesn't look good. Oh, oh, oh. This is our stop loss, which is at 59.58. okay, it's quite heavy, so let's take a look on the volume. So will there be any spike in the volume on the downside? No, but could be on the upper side also. No, I'm not sure what actually happened. Today is 9th of January. I think is there any holiday? I'm not sure, but looks like the volume not really strong. Okay, high volume spike at 59.52. Doesn't look good on our current position. I think we might hit the stop loss. There's possibility we might hit the stop loss. This not good. Okay, this is not a good trade, so we might have see a stop loss for today. Not yet. The market quite tough, and due to the current situation, there's a tendency for the market to do a full reversal from the London session. Our short position is not going to happen. Still the price remain at around 59.50, which is the round number, a typical round number. So try to go further down. Let's wait. Alright traders, we've seen a drop now. Good, nice red candle, and let's go. Okay, the green line is our TP target, so market might spike any moment soon. This is what I hope. We are still in the position on the short sell, same 58.28, same as in this video I showed you in the beginning of this video. Okay, price now is at 59.37, and we already entered the market at 59.28. The target is 59.12, so this is our TP target. So let's hope everything's okay and fine. Okay, any moment now. I hope I can capture it live. Let me analyze it. Still not yet explosion to the downside. Okay, almost there. Price now at 58.30. Sorry, 59.30. I hope I can record it live where we're going to hit the TP, hopefully. Okay, this red line is our entry. So at this moment we are at still minus compared to previously. We are about minus 20 plus, so now is minus 2 or 3 ticks. Now is 6 ticks above our entry, which is at 59.28. So any moment just keep watching this price level of depth of the market, the dome. Hopefully the market okay, we found very large volume waiting at 59.08, so around 106. So this is quite a good indication that we will going to go to this direction. Okay, we are break even or not yet, 1 ticks, 2 ticks. So this is the current PNL. Okay, I will change this candle to bar chart. Looks better. So this purple line, you see, is our entry over here. The red dot line, this is the entry, and the green line here is the TP target. So I have queued my position. My signal also been provided the same thing. So okay, we go further down, keep going down, and let's wait. Still minus 20. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now we see that the market go further down. Looks good. Hopefully I can capture it live. Okay, we are now positive 3. Oh, okay, this turn. So I hope I can record it live while we are going to hit the TP. We are positive 3. Sorry, yeah, positive 3. So let's wait. It's going to take some time. Normally the market, our trade will end very fast, but today take some time. Oh, okay, there's a big jump. Lowest is 18, around 16. I miss the queue. Change the stop losses to 50. I send out the signal to exit at 59.50. This is a new stop loss. Because the price reverse back, then I will exit at 59.40 as well. So let's take a look on the downside. So this is where I'm going to TP, and there's a large volume at 59.07, 59.06, 59.05, and also 59.00. So this is a strong indication the market will go to this direction. So we are in the good situation based on our current situation. So let's take a look on our PNL. So we are plus 8, plus 7. So the target, the entry is 59.28, so the target is 59.12, so should be around 16 ticks from the entry point. And oh, okay, we hit. So 59.12 is the exit. So already exit. So this is a small triangle there, indicate that I'm already out from the market. So total profit for today is 16,160 for US session scalping as a day salary. Okay, by the way, feel free to subscribe, like, comment or share this video. So there's a link in the description, feel free to click on it. Okay, see you tomorrow guys. Thank you, bye bye.